The black-headed python, Aspidites melanocephalus, is a species of snake in the Pythonidae, the python family. The species is native to Australia. No subspecies are currently recognized. Adults typically grow to 1.5 to 2 meters, 4.9 to 6.6 feet in total length, but can grow to a maximum of 3.5 meters, 11 feet. The body is muscular with a flattened profile, while the tail tapers to a thin point. The top of the head is covered by large, symmetrical scales. The dorsal scales, which are smooth and glossy, number 50-65 rows at midbody, while 315-355 ventral scales occur. The tail has 60-75 mainly single subcaudal scales and the anal scale is single. The posterior subcaudals tend to be divided, often irregularly. The color pattern consists of shades of black, dark gray, brown, gold, and green arranged in a striped or brindled pattern. The belly is light-colored, flecked with darker spots. The head is shiny black that also extends down the neck and throat for several inches. The species is found in Australia in the northern half of the country, excluding the very arid regions. The type locality given is Port Denison Bowen, Queensland, Australia. It occurs in humid tropical to semi-arid conditions. These snakes are terrestrial and are often found in amongst rocks and loose debris. If disturbed, they hiss loudly, but are unlikely to bite unless hunting prey. They sometimes strike with a closed mouth, but generally can be handled easily. They are strong swimmers, but are almost never found in water. They are not venomous. The diet consists of mainly reptiles, including snakes, but they will eat mammals if available. Because black-headed pythons live in the desert, they heat up quicker and stay warmer for longer. This means they can eat more because they digest food quicker in warmer conditions. When ingesting large prey, this species positions one or two coils just ahead of its distended mouth and by constriction makes the task of swallowing easier. Oviparous, females lay 5 to 10 eggs per clutch. The females stay coiled about the eggs and incubate them until they hatch, which is usually after 2 to 3 months. The young take small prey as soon as 2 days after hatching. Immature individuals are vulnerable to predation, including cannibalism. Adults have no natural predators other than dingoes and humans. These snakes are mentioned in, or play a central role in, the stories of the indigenous Australians' Dreamtime tradition.